Hey everybody, I'm back with another update of what's happening here in Southern Utah, and today I'm here at Corso, where I get to interview their co-founder and head of growth, Paul Bartholomew. It's a local tech company that's doing big things in the e-commerce world. Super lucky to have them here. Look forward to showing you, so let's get started. So I'm here with Paul, co-founder and head of growth here at Corso, also a good friend of mine. Grew up here and went away, and now he's back. So thanks for having us, first of all.
Yeah, stoked to have you, man. Your videos are they're popular, and stoked to be here.
So tell us, first off, your story.
Yeah, St. George kid, grew up here in St. George, went to Snow Canyon High School, went to Dixie State, and then moved away. I think like a lot of kids do, went to the U to get my bachelor's, and then I've been in Orange County I was in Orange County for about 9 years, and then pandemic, and obviously visited St. George. My parents lived here, and was obviously a destination for us to always come visit. And it during the pandemic, I think like most people, your eyes were open to where you lived, and
Yeah.
we saw Desert Color, and we thought that was an amazing place to be, and we moved back, man. So
Got a little bit of a California vibe.
little California vibe in Southern
In
Utah,
Southern
and
Utah.
so the best of both worlds.
And the ability to just be here while also creating your company.
Correct.
So,
Yeah, bringing
which
Corso here.
leads us to Corso. So what is Corso?
Yeah, so Corso, we build technology for e-commerce merchants, and we help them to tackle tough shipping issues like lost, damaged, stolen packages. And then we help them do it in a sustainable way. We offer carbon offsets to e-commerce brands. Sustainability is something that's on the minds of many brands, and I think just the world today. And so Corso allows for these e-commerce brands to really take that step in the direction of sustainability through carbon offsets.
Very cool. And we're here in your office. What is your plans for St. George in regards to your office growth, all that?
For sure. I mean, Tech Ridge has been very attractive to us in terms of the kind of the planning and the strategy around what we're doing from a growth perspective at Corso. And so, it's been fun to be involved, going to the city council meetings and seeing that growth. Obviously, I grew up here, and there weren't tech companies really,
Right.
We had a couple, but now seeing this movement is something that's really exciting for us and something that we want to be a part of. And so in terms of growth, really coordinating with Isaac, the Tech Ridge team, to help get a footprint up there and to expand. I mean, we want to hire in St. George. We have a program right now with Dixie in terms of getting interns, and we think there's a pretty substantial talent pipeline there that we're going to tap into. And Utah Tech, we're really stoked. That obviously aligns with what we're doing. And so growth, hiring here locally. We do have a presence in San Clemente, California as well, but predominantly our efforts for growth will be in St. George and bringing people to St. George, as well as hiring talent here locally.
Good stuff. I like it.
Yeah.
Love to hear that.
Yeah, man.
So the last question is why? Why is St. George?
It feels, this is gonna sound like Disney-ish, but it's like this new frontier. We've got an opportunity to really build something substantial and impactful for St. George for years to come. Like, it really truly feels like this is a launch point, as Don Willie says, right? To take St. George to the next level and into new territory, be able to provide high-paying jobs and to just expand here. And candidly, we're on calls all the time with people across the nation with different brands, and when we say we live right outside of Zion National Park and we have access to all of this beauty, it blows their mind that we have an office here in this area.
Yeah.
And they're always intrigued, and it's something that we feel is going to be really special going forward.
It's awesome. Well, cool. Love to hear it.
Yeah.
Stoked for you guys. Stoked to see you grow
Yeah, man.
right here. So thanks again for having us. Appreciate it, man.
Appreciate it.
And that's a wrap, guys. As you can see, really cool things happening here with Corso. Really looking forward to having them here locally and as they head up to Tech Ridge. For more info on what's happening in Southern Utah, you can call me or text me 435-668-7293 or find me on Facebook, LinkedIn, or Instagram. Thanks, guys.